Hey everyone, today I've got a Surface laptop to unbox. Now this is a new version of the Surface laptop for business with an Intel Core processor. It's a Copilot PC, so it's got a brand new higher spec NPU than all the previous Intel Surface laptops had. But this one's special because it is actually the very first Surface laptop with 5G. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. It's kind of been unboxed a little bit already because the airport people wouldn't let it through security, unfortunately. But here's the device with all Microsoft's commercial and retail devices these days that are always done in accessible and sustainable packaging. So no plastic on this device, no ASMR sounds to be made because there's no plastic to peel anymore. But this is the laptop here. Looks just like any other Surface laptop. Surface Laptop 7 maybe, something like that. Looks pretty similar, but it's kind of different. More paper. Because it's got some antennas in it. It's actually been redesigned. It's an Intel processor, like I said, but it has a Qualcomm modem in it, a 5G modem. And just here in the device, there is actually an antenna array. There's 6 antennas in this device. And the device is designed in such a way that the antennas, it'll automatically select the antennas to use based on where your hands are, where your body is, etc. So it'll always try and move the signal pickup away from yourself, which is pretty cool and it's pretty clever. You can see that there's little notches here in the side where those antennas have an escape route through the aluminium chassis of the device. And they've actually redesigned the whole top plate. So rather than that being a metal surface, it's some sort of composite there that it feels kind of nice. It reminds me a little bit of the Surface Pro 12-inch that I'm using over there. It's got the same sort of feel on it. So I think this will be quite durable, this surface, nice and cleanable. But if you're into laptops, that's the latest thing. So business grade devices like this one from Surface, they come with lots of special stuff. They come with the Surface Management Portal that allows you to integrate the management of these devices with Intune, but also have a place to go to check on the status of the devices, etc. There's a whole tool set there. They also come with Windows Pro editions, and they include a warranty that is specific to business customers. So that's all nice. But when you think about deploying a device like this, if you're looking to include laptops in your fleet and you want to have that always-on connectivity, that's what this one's for. I've been using the Surface Pro 13. I think that's what they call it, 13-inch now. The Qualcomm version, the ARM chip version with 5G for quite a while. And it's just so handy to have that always-on connectivity. So if you're looking for a laptop that has that kind of connectivity, so when I go off of Wi-Fi, it'll automatically switch over onto my 5G connection. I generally won't even notice. Then now you can actually get that in a laptop form factor, and that's what this one here is going to do for you. So the beauty is too, because it's a business grade device, because of the Surface Management Portal and the Intune support, you could deploy connectivity through an eSIM directly to the device. It actually has just on the side here a little slot for a physical Nano SIM, but of course it can take an eSIM as well. So you could actually have dual SIMs on this device. So that's the Surface laptop. They're calling this one the Surface Laptop 5G. We're sort of going away from the names now. It all gets a bit confusing, but this is the latest version of the Surface laptop for business with 5G.